Ciao guys and welcome back to Cucina. Chef Gero here, where today I have an extra special recipe for you guys. And you know why? Well, in collaboration with RedMan and Punwat, all of my ingredients that I'm using today and all the recipes, you will be able to find them in RedMan and Punwat stores. So this promotion is all the way from late March until early May. You can explore Italian flavors and recreate my recipes at home. And there's even more in store for you guys. We are giving out 90 vouchers worth $80 each. So you can win them in 9 of the RedMan and Punwat stores island-wide all over Singapore. So, and the lucky ones, you'll have an additional, you have a minimum spend of $30, you will get additional vouchers at RedMan. So, let's get cooking, guys. What do you think I'm gonna be making for you? The recipe? Ooh, you're gonna love it. I got ladies' fingers biscuit. I got them here. So what is that? Tiramisu. So yes, I'm making tiramisu, but even better, one more up, pistachio paste. So I'm gonna be making pistachio tiramisu. I always get asked in my videos, Chef, where do you get the gelatin from? Is everything halal? Well, guys, I've been using Punwat since I arrived in Singapore. So yes, 30 years. You want to talk about gelatin? Halal certification right there. So I'm always been using RedMan. Vanilla, again, I have vanilla flavor here, whether it's vanilla paste or whether it's vanilla beans, also halal certified, guys. So it's something that gives me great confidence in, of course, running Cucina. So I must have everything halal certified right here to give confidence for you guys. So RedMan is the way to go. So let's go and make tiramisu. Let's get started, guys. What do we need to make a beautiful tiramisu? Well, you need to start with egg yolks. So 6 egg yolks with 75 grams of caster sugar. And today, seeing as we are making a gorgeous pistachio, so I'm going to add in 2 nice tablespoons of pistachio paste into this mix. And then we're just going to whip them up nice and thick. And this is called zabaione. This is what we're going to call the Italian custard that makes that beautiful creamy tiramisu. My recipe. And once you get it like that, guys, add another 500 grams of mascarpone. If only you could smell the nuttiness of that pistachio. It's going to be gorgeous. Okay guys, so once you mix your mascarpone on a medium speed, it takes about 1 minute, and then you get a gorgeous pistachio zabaione. Let's finish up making this tiramisu. Important, guys, you need espresso coffee to make tiramisu. No Nescafe diluted Nescafe, please, okay? Dip them in, ladies' fingers, straight in, very fast. Less than 1 second. Of course, today I'm making cups. If you want to make a tray, you leave them whole, obviously. But today we're making cups for the restaurant so that you guys can come down and try this pistachio tiramisu right here at Cucina. So we're just going to put a tablespoon of mix onto one layer and then follow up with 1 more layer of lady's finger biscuit. The kernels here, also definitely from RedMan. I'm going to chop them up, put them on top. The perfect tiramisu. And let's finish up, guys, with 1 more. Let's cover them with chopped pistachios, or just set them in the fridge for a few hours. Don't be shy with the pistachio. This one is going to be the best tiramisu you've ever eaten. So, you can recreate this with all the ingredients from RedMan and Punwat, or come down to Cucina, guys, and try this. You're gonna die. Trust me on this one.